If you want to change your Wi-Fi name or password, you're on the right video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Open any web browser on your phone and type in your router's IP address, which is usually the default gateway. Most routers have it set as 192.168.0.1. If you don't know it, then you need to check what your router's actual default gateway is. You just need to open your Wi-Fi settings. Then tap on your Wi-Fi network. After that, scroll down a bit, and you should see the Network Details section. Here, you can see the gateway under IP address. Basically, this is your router's default gateway IP. Now copy it, come back to your browser, paste it, and hit Enter. The router's login page should pop up. You'll land on the login page where it asks for a username and password. Most of the time, the username is admin and the password is usually admin2. Type in admin for both the username and password, then hit Enter. This will log you in. If admin doesn't work for you, just flip your Wi-Fi router upside down and check the sticker on the back. That's where you'll find the router's username and password. Use that username and password to log in. Once you log in, you'll see your Wi-Fi router's web page. Keep in mind, this page looks different depending on the router brand you have. Now don't worry, there's nothing to stress about because most of the settings are usually pretty standard, so no big deal there. As soon as the web page opens, look for the setting called Wireless or sometimes WAN. On some router pages, it's called WAN, and on others, it's called Wireless. In my case, I see Wireless, so I'll click on that. Once I click on Wireless, a new page opens. After that, you can see the wireless network name, which is TP-Link, and that's the name of my Wi-Fi. In my case, both the network name and the password are not on the same page because every router has different settings. If you find both together, you can simply change them from there. But if you don't find them together, then follow these steps. Now tap on the wireless network name and change it to whatever you want. I'm changing it to Tech Resolve. After finishing, click Save. When you click Save, your Wi-Fi will be disconnected, so you need to connect again using the new name you gave it. After connecting again, come back to the router page and tap on Wireless Security. A new page will open. From here, click on Wireless Password and set whatever password you want. Then click Save again. After that, just connect your router again using the new password. That's how it works. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like it. We make videos like this often, so I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.